Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make cabbage carrot stir fry. Ingredients are 1 shredded cabbage, juliennes of carrot, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, salt according to your taste, cumin seeds and mustard seeds for tempering, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1½ tablespoon, oil 4 tablespoons, coriander powder 1½ tablespoon, garam masala powder 1 spoon. First, put on your stove, take a kadai, add oil, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Then add cabbage. Wait for 2 minutes till it sautees. Saute your cabbage. At this moment add carrots, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, salt, red chili powder. Mix all together. After mixing everything, close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's check our dish. Our cabbage and carrot are cooked perfectly. At this moment, add garam masala, coriander powder. Mix everything with masala and switch off the flame. That's it. Our cabbage carrot stir fry is ready. This was our today's recipe. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our recipe. See you in the other session with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.